Doesn't look bright at all.
That is very bright.
All right. So now I'm gonna go back into let it set. I'm gonna add in like little compounds in here. Great, so I'm gonna wait for just a second. And using my crystal clear. Hi Brad, how are you? And it's from wet to really like dry. And I'm gonna do it just like tap on a crystal clear on the side toward to the center. Blend this one nicely. Continue doing the same until you really like the look of your marble. And keep in mind that if you are first time doing like fusioning, or you start doing it and then you just really want to master it, it's all of your marble looks from fusionings or even like weaver gels, blossom gels, and liquid powders. All marbles come out different. They are not identical every time you create it. I'm just so obsessed with this fusioning. It's just really easy to do. To me, I feel like it's easiest things on earth to having really much fun and creates fun look in the art for the nails. Great. Maybe I should do just a little bit. All right. So now it's done. If you're like completely happy with this, we are going to do some fun, stunning stickers. I really want some butterflies as well. Let's see, we have this, and then also one of this you will see on your a summer treasure box. Let's see what we're getting over here. This one I like, but I want to try this one. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a try. This is really cool. like you show things.
Yeah, Adriana asked you, do you put a base color underneath?
For the, before I do,
Just before you do fusioning?
before fusioning, yes, I did 2 coat of the whites colors, Adriana, and I did 2 coat of gel polish in whites color, and then I did the matte top coat. Can you grab me the matte, right? Cure for 60 seconds. It looks so dark on that one. It's stunning though. I don't know if I want to try this one. Give it a try and see how it turned out. I'm using, I love this tweezers. So pick it up and then use the other end to blend it really nice. I really want to put some crystal on it. Let's see if I can get some of the starfish right here. And what's that bird? It's cool, it's busy, a lot of going on. Let's see what else we can have it there. And the star right there. It's just so fun because I see a lot of you doing so much cool idea for this. And also if you don't, you want to do just like a blue colors for the ocean, just using filling blue or calmings only. But it's not like really cool and kind of a busy cool nail, so I'm gonna put some crystal on it. Look at that. Is it busy? I don't know, it looks cool and busy though. Just another ideas, I really like it. I'm gonna give it a rubs good. And now I am going to using condensed glue gel. If you don't want any crystals on this, I think you are absolutely good to go. But if you want any crystals on, just need to make sure you rub all that pre-adhesive stickers down, and then so you can put your condensed glue gel to encapsulating and add more crystals on. Condensed glue gels. If your first time using our condensed glue gel, it's gonna be a little bit thick density, so feel free to blend it nicely. It's go right into the nails, and you don't need a lot unless you're doing a 3D crystals. You want to give it enough, not too thick, not too thin, as it's gonna flood your crystal if you doing it too thick. And we're gonna apply the no white top coat on the top before condensed glue gel. No white top coat. Oh, the matte top coat, Adriana, right here is a matte top coat I did. I think that screen is bad. The screen, give me 1 second. Now I want using a no wipe top coat. So if you want this look to be a matte look, then you put a matte top coat on the top of uncured condensed glue gel, then do some crystal placements. I'm gonna need to get some gold beads. I'm just using a little bit of Bahamas. That's the colors I am using it right now. It's really cool and different. It's for all of you who love stickers and don't do anything with transfer foil. But I'm also sharing the techniques with the transfer foil later. I don't think I want a lot, just few of them, because as it's already really pretty. I really like it though. It's like really summery, but also you can do it's like you can do lighter background. Just want to add it on to just give it a little bit. It's like cute. What's a dolphin? Mm. Look like a dolphin. See this? Mm-hmm. Great. Let me see if I'm gonna do something. Here for 60 seconds. Because that's when it dark.